Hello everyone. Are you looking for a delicious and effective way to lose weight, increase your energy, and improve your overall health? Welcome to the Smoothie Diet. It is a proven program that will help you achieve your weight loss goals in a healthy and sustainable way. What makes the Smoothie Diet unique is a personalized approach to weight loss in weeks. The shakes are administered in specific sequences to ensure your weight continues to drop and is maintained. In this program, you will get everything you need to lose weight and feel healthy. From over 36 delicious smoothie recipes to weekly shopping lists and prep tips, they'll provide you with everything you need to make the process simple and effective. If you are looking for a complete transformation in just weeks, you are in the right place. Whether you want to lose a few pounds or a significant amount of weight, this program is flexible and tailored to your needs. Unlike other diets, this is not a quick fix. The results you get in 21 days are just the beginning of a healthier life and a slimmer body. Cravings for unhealthy foods decrease, making it easier to maintain weight long-term. If you have type 2 diabetes, this program may be beneficial for you. Fresh fruits and vegetables in smoothies can help improve your health and control your blood sugar level. Be sure to talk to your doctor before making any changes to your diet. If you have a busy lifestyle, don't worry. This program is designed to be fast and convenient. The recipes are easy to prepare, and you can enjoy your smoothies anytime, anywhere. You don't need an expensive blender to follow this program. The ingredients are easy to find, and if you can't get something, they will offer you affordable alternatives. In short, the Smoothie Diet is a delicious and effective way to lose weight, increase energy, and improve your overall health. If you are ready to begin your journey to a new you, this program is for you. Do not wait more. Start your journey to a healthier life with the Smoothie Diet. I leave you the link in the description.